Having some potato. How are you?
Fine.
You're fine.
How are you going to get that for me?
Kikoi material-ish, kind of fake Adidas. Oh, well, maybe. Guys, I just had my shower, my morning shower. I did have a shower last night as well, but I had another one this morning to be refreshed. It was kind of cold, but I loved it. It was invigorating. And I put on this dress, this brown dress that I got from Boohoo. Look at the back. Can you see the back? Oh, you can't see the back. So basically at the back is crisscross, and then it's like a dip, and then I have this slit at the back. So it's a long dress. You can't walk around this like with this in the village, you know, with that high slit. Even yesterday, that skirt that I wore, the matching set, African print, people had like my auntie was like, "Are you, is that?" You know, I don't know. You know, even my mum was like, "Oh, was that supposed to be there?" I was like, "Yeah, that was the design. Like it was in the picture that I showed the tailor." But you can't be wearing them. So, you know, some things you can't be wearing in Africa, you know. So I'm just gonna go back to the dress that I wore, like on the first day. It's been washed and dried, and I'm gonna put this on, and yeah, we're gonna have a simple day, you know. We're gonna have another simple day, and I'm gonna wear it at some other occasion. Hopefully when we get to Auntie Concy's place, I can have a lemon tea. Oh yeah, before I get changed, one more thing, guys. Last night I ended the vlog, but we kind of continued the evening, and I had some food, like some rice and some meat, like 4 pieces of meat, like small pieces of meat. I thought it was goat's meat, but it was actually cow. It was beef. It was tender and really nicely seasoned. And I had like 1 slice of bread with odi. Auntie Concy just made it, and I just cut half and I ate the half. So I had the hot chocolate with powdered milk, and then I put some tangawizi, which is ginger in it, powdered ginger. I put a lot. But guys, as soon as I finished that cup, I felt like almost acid reflux, so I'm not gonna go for ginger again. I'm just not. Meal after meal after meal. And the thing is, I didn't eat big portions. Okay, when we went to my uncle's place, my mom's brother, we ate a deck corn cow with this dry fish stew and also some malakwang. Ate that. I ate what I wanted. Not a huge amount, but it was enough for me. I ate what I wanted. And even when they told me to serve more, I served like a bit more malakwang just to finish off the corn cow. And then we came to Auntie Rose's place. She served us la korokoro with posho. I had a slither of posho, a slither of la korokoro, because I knew I'd already eaten. And then we came home. Then we had jackfruit. I ate many pieces, like 5 pieces of jackfruit. And then we came home, had a break, but then later I had the rice and the meat, but it was late. It was like 10 o'clock. And 4 pieces of meat, small piece of meat like that. And then I had the hot chocolate with a slice, oh my God. The hot chocolate with a slice of brown bread with odi. Now, it was nice, but oh God, I need to limit my eating. That doesn't sound like a lot. In fact, it didn't even feel like a lot. But last night it was difficult for me to get to sleep because I had like I felt the food was here. Like, guys, I don't constantly eat. I have my time to eat. Usually like once a day, and then the rest are like have a nice tea or something. Like, I'm not one of those people who constantly eat. I can't do it. I don't have the capacity. I may look like I have the capacity, but I don't have the capacity. I don't understand how some slim people have such a big capacity. Yeah, I'm not even that slim. I'm not even slim, actually. At this present time, I'm not slim, as you can see, you know. But I just don't have that capacity. I just don't have it. I just don't have it, you know. Anyways, if I'm going to continue losing weight like I've been in Uganda, I've not weighed myself in the past 2-3 weeks, but I feel like I'm losing weight. I can tell my neck, my face, even my stomach and hips, like the hip area, I can tell it's reducing. I can tell it's reducing, you know. Not too much eating today. Dress changed. Now oh man, I don't even want to wear makeup. Literally, I don't even want to wear it. Should I wear it? Should I just tie my hair up today? I might even just leave the hair up like this. Can't be bothered to put makeup on, literally, I just can't. So maybe I just do it like this. So we're at Auntie Concie's place having some porridge. This was called
Millet porridge, nyokakal.
yeah, porridge
With lemon and
sugar. And some odi there. I may not have odi, but odi's there. And some kabalagala. And it's not been a long time since I ate this one. So enjoy.
Yes, good morning everyone.
Yeah.
Enjoying my millet porridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Would you like to say hello? Good morning.
You're funny.
Yeah.
Hey, that's good.
The porridge is really nice and the kabalagala is also good.
It's also lagala.
Oh, it's both. Kabalagala and lagala.
Kabalagala, that place
I don't even know what
is in Kampala there?
Yeah, I've been.
Yes.
I've been to that place.
Okay.
That's why I was confused when they called this also kabalagala.
We just no, this Kabalagala is these Uganda people who just their pronunciation is
Yeah.
is weak.
Okay.
But this one we call it Lagala.
Lagala.
Yes.
Okay.
But for them when they got it, they call it Kabalagala.
Kabalagala.
Yes.
So we've just stopped here to grab some food for the workers, and we're just chilling.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, how are you finding Uganda so far?
Oh, Uganda is lovely. It's beautiful. It's relaxed. You know, I have peace of mind.
Yeah.
I feel free. I feel like I don't have even problem in the world. Even if there are problems, I don't feel that it's too much for me to bear because I have my relatives and friends who are actually sharing the problem with me. So I don't feel alone. Yeah, I feel I have support and people who love me dearly. Yeah, who will do anything to protect me. Yeah.
The sunshine is just beautiful. We're just enjoying it. It can get really hot, but it's nice.
Oh, somebody wants to see.
Aji Kopangong. It's here.
What did you have there?
He just wants to be featured. Not really to play the star role, but just be there. Kitgum town. Say hi, Praise.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Fine.
You're fine. This is Praise. And we're about to go inside and eat something. I'm having some potatoes. Thank you. And nyawa and fish.
How are you going to get that for me?
So we're finally back after a really long day. I just had a shower. Right now we're just gonna have some tea and then I think bedtime. Tomorrow morning we should be leaving for Gulu. We wanted to leave today but it just didn't happen. I bought a few things actually at the market. You see? So it's like this kind of kitenge kind of thing, but it's really thin, so I'm probably just gonna use it as a headscarf. This is a bit of a better look at the scarf. There you go. Got this kind of scarf, kikoi material-ish scarf, kind of fake Adidas. Oh well, maybe they're real Adidas, I don't know, but anyway they say Adidas. Got the Supreme, so they're gonna be like comfortable slippers just to wear around the house. Anyway, that's it for the evening. I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. There's been lots of stuff going on. I didn't film everything. Hope you have a good night. See you tomorrow.